What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to find out the molar mass of chromium 3 nitrate. So we need to find out the atomic mass of each of them. We have chromium, we have nitrogen, we have oxygen. Chromium is 51.996, nitrogen is 14.007, and oxygen is 15.999. Chromium, we have one atom. Nitrogen, we have 3 of them, 3 times 1, and oxygen we have 3 times 3. So it will be 51.996. The other one is 14.007 times 3, which is 42.021. And here we have 15.999 times 9, which is 143.991, and we need to add them all. It's going to be 42.021 plus 51.996, so that makes it 238.008 grams per mole. So that's basically the molar mass or molecular weight of chromium nitrate. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.